out here kayaking, just enjoying the river. It's been flowing, and it's been a blast bringing kayak out or just fishing along the banks and really everywhere on it.
The flow is great, especially if you go upriver. It's kind of tough to get into, but once you go back down, you can ride the rapids back, so it's pretty fun.
I like with the lake being there and kind of the river coming into it, you got a few different species of fishes. The catfish, crappie, and even caught a striper here yesterday, and I caught a white earlier. And obviously gar, you never know what you're gonna catch, always fun.